So today we will be discussing about the functional group analysis. Okay, so we are going to do the functional group analysis for the carboxylic acid functional group. ठीक है? So the first test for carboxylic acid functional group is the sodium bicarbonate test, right? So you have to take your unknown organic compound in the test tube. After that, you have to add saturated solution of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so what you have to observe, if you are getting effervescence of carbon dioxide, if you are getting effervescence of carbon dioxide, that means your organic compound has carboxylic acid functional group, right? So what is the reaction? This is your carboxylic acid. It is going to react with the sodium bicarbonate. So this will be the reaction. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid will be formed and carbon dioxide gas will be evolved. So this particular carbon dioxide gas is responsible for the effervescence. Okay. Now, second test for the carboxylic acid functional group is the formation of ester. Right? Okay. Now, in the formation of ester, so the procedure to perform this particular test is already given in your RC Shah book. Okay. So now let us study the reaction mechanism. How carboxylic acid is reacting with an alcohol to form the ester. So let us study the reaction mechanism part. Okay. So this is your carboxylic acid. We had added sulfuric acid. We had added a drop of sulfuric acid as a catalyst. Okay. So this particular oxygen is having a partial negative charge. This particular carbon is having a partial positive charge. So this oxygen will attack this particular proton. Okay. So now oxygen has got a positive charge. But we all know that oxygen is electronegative element. So this electrons will move towards the oxygen and this particular carbon will get a positive charge. Okay. So this particular proton is basically increasing the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. Right. It is increasing the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. So this is the alcohol molecule. There are lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom. So this alcohol will act as a nucleophile. It will attack the positively charged carbon here. Okay. Now again this oxygen has got the positive charge. Okay. So now there would be transfer of the proton. Okay. There would be transfer of the proton. So this proton will migrate from here to this oxygen atom. So now this oxygen has got the positive charge. Now this water molecule, right? This water molecule is a good living group. OH, this OH is not a good living group, but water is a good living group. So now this electrons will move here forming the double bond, and this water will leave. H2O will leave, okay, because water is a good living group as compared to the OH. Okay, H2O is a good living group as compared to the OH. So you can see that our ester has already started forming. So water will go away. Now there will be loss of proton. This proton will be lost. So here you can see that our ester has already formed. Okay. So what is the overall reaction? This is the carboxylic acid. This is the alcohol. In presence of acid as a catalyst, they are going to react to form the ester. Okay. So what you have to observe during this particular experiment, you have to observe the fruity smell. अगर ये वाली एक्सपेरिमेंट के टाइम के ऊपर आपको फ्रूटी स्मेल आती है, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एस्टर. एस्टर की फ्रूटी स्मेल होती है. लैब के अंदर आप लोगों ने ये वाली एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म की और अगर आपको फ्रूटी स्मेल आ रही है, दैट मीन्स योर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कंटेन्स कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप. ओके.